Yeah. Cool. And there goes a frog. Whoa,
Hello.
awesome.
Check out this snapping turtle. It's definitely a baby, no doubt about it.
Sorry.
They get about 15 times the size. Look at those eyes. And also, what's really cool is their underside. Look at how chubby they are. And
How do you think the bite would feel? You gonna try it?
try the bite? First, I'll try with the stick just to see. He looks pretty active. He's not like totally tucked in, which is awesome.
Yeah.
But let's. He probably won't, because he's so young. I'm not expecting him to.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not gonna try with my finger. Super pretty. Just sunbathing here on a rock. Perfect place. Does not smell very good.
Yeah, is that him?
Yeah, it's him.
You stink, dude.
Mm.
Oh.
Yeah,
Jeez.
look at him. Beautiful turtle, though. I
Yeah,
mean,
it's awesome.
iconic Colorado, for sure. That's a good picture. All right, let's let him go.
And just put him right back on his rock.
Do you remember which one it was? That one? That one.
Yeah.
Oh, he's got his mouth open. He wants to bite. I'm gonna get him in a better position. Put him back on. There he goes. Right back. Son of him.
Yeah.
He's hunting. Maybe for some baby frog.
Wait, where was the frog? Racy?
Right here. In there. I think
Here it comes.
cool.
What?